Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Cook with Ira, and today I am sharing with you guys a very specialty dish of Newari cuisine, Chatamari. These are also known by the names Nepali pizza, Nepali pancakes, Nepali crepes. Like there are a lot of names, you name it. This is a very versatile dish because you can top it with anything you want. You can also make it plain if you want to. Today I'm making with some chicken and eggs. So it's kind of like a mixed chatamari. So yeah, let's jump right in with the ingredients. So I have 3 sets of ingredients here. The first one is for the batter. So you're going to need some rice flour, a fine kind, and then some water. Then I'm going to top it with some chicken. So for that I have some ground chicken. This is an egg with some salt beaten. And then this is orange bell pepper. You can use any kind of bell peppers you want. Then I have over here some cumin and coriander powder mix, some garlic powder, red chili powder, a little bit of turmeric powder. This is red onions and tomatoes finely chopped, some salt to taste, some vegetable oil. Then this is the sauce for the base. So I have the red chili sauce and green chili sauce, and then I'm going to top each chatamari with an egg. So let's get going and let's make the batter. So for the batter, I'm going to add water to the rice flour and I'm going to mix it really well. You add the water little by little because you don't want it to be too runny. The consistency you're looking for is it should be pourable but not very watery and not very thick and no lumps. So I'm going to keep adding the water and mix this really well, and when I get to the desired consistency, I'll show you what it looks like. So this is the consistency you're going after. As you can see, it's pretty thin, but not very watery and not very thick. It should be able to pour pretty easily. So we're going to keep this aside until we need it further later. Now we're going to make the meat. So on the chicken, we're going to add 1 egg with a little bit of salt, then the bell peppers, onions and tomatoes, the turmeric powder, the spices, and a good pinch of salt. And now we're going to mix all of this really well until it's well combined, and I'll show you the next step. Okay, so this is ready. Now let's mix the 2 sauces that we have, so the red chili sauce and green chili sauce. So this will be the sauce we're going to use on the batter, on the base. Not the batter, the base. Okay, so over here I have a pan and I have a little bit of like about a teaspoon of vegetable oil preheating on about medium heat. You want the heat to be medium. So we're going to pour a little bit of batter in there. And now pour some sauce. Add the chicken. As I was saying earlier, the topping is really up to you. And now in the middle, make like a well and drop in an egg. And now cover this. I'm using a clay cover. This is to make chatamaris. If you can get your hands on a clay cover, I would highly suggest that, because what it does is it absorbs all the steam and it will make your base very crispy. If you don't have it, you can use any other kind of lid. The only thing is like it's going to steam inside and it's not going to be as crispy base, but it's still going to taste delicious. So I'm going to keep it covered and cook it for about 7 to 8 minutes. You just want the chicken to be fully cooked through, the egg to be cooked all the way, and then it will be ready to come out. Okay, this is ready. Oh my goodness, look at that. I want to show you the bottom. Can you see how crispy that looks? Can you guess how crispy that's going to be? Oh, I'm excited. I like to cut it in quarters. Oh, can you hear that crunch? I have to let it cool a little bit before I give it a try. Can you see this layer? The base, the chicken, the egg. My goodness, it looks perfect. It's crunchy, it's juicy, the chicken, the egg, it's just perfect. Try this recipe at home. If you do, let me know how it worked out in the comment section below. If you have any requests, also put that in the comment section below. All the ingredients and measurements will be in the description box down below for you guys. If you like what you saw today, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching today, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!